Hey, Plant Pal, it's Mike Cicada Gardener, and today is a unboxing and review of a product that I was given to test and review, and I'm very excited to do so. It's from a company called, let me make sure I pronounce this correctly, Tinmengte, and they are a company that specializes in outdoor tools. You can find out more about them at tinmengte.com, and I'll put that information up on the screen, of course, and in the product description. And they saw my channel, saw that I do gardening inside and outside, and thought I would uh, like to test and review this product, which of course I am. So this is a 24-volt mini chainsaw. I'm going to open it and show you some of the product and some of the features. So this is the first time I'm opening it and looking at it, just as you are. So that's really cool. So this would go this way. It's got latches, so it's got a nice case that comes with it. Oh, okay, so this is the style that this folds down, so it locks on the loops. Okay, so here is your instruction manual. I'll definitely be reading that. I've used regular chainsaws before in the past, and even plug-in corded electric chainsaws. I have a tree outside that is unfortunately past its prime. It was just a volunteer tree that's next to my garage that needs to come down, and I have a tall pine tree in my front that also gets unwieldy, grows over onto the sidewalk, which I definitely can use this to do some trimming, and I'll in future do videos showing that, of course. Very excited. But first, this is just a unboxing and quick look and my first impressions. So they give you some gloves with gripping. These are you can see I've got giant mitts, so these are gonna be way too small for me, but that's a me issue, not a them issue. So here is so this is really cool. So right off the bat, I'm seeing things I like, such as they give you an extra chain, which a lot of times that would be something you'd have to go buy extra if your chain breaks. You know, the company would make you buy a new one, but they're giving you an extra one here, so that's awesome. So I'm gonna put that up in the box up top here. They give you the oil, which is very necessary to keep the thing running. They give you a nice screwdriver to work on it, tighten the chain and whatnot, I'm sure. You make your adjustments. So here's the saw itself. There's no battery in here, so I'm not going to accidentally turn it on or anything, but I'm not even going to touch the trigger right now. So this is the, oh, there's a very specific, see, I'm not a, my wife is a crafts person, so she knows all the names of these things. There's a specific name for this guard. So it keeps it from, keeps the well, not only does it protect you with the sawdust and stuff from flying into your face, but it also prevents kickback, which is very handy. So there's adjustments here. I'm sure this is the safety button, so I'm sure you have to hold this in and then pull the trigger. So that's very cool. This is where the battery goes in. So this is like, you know, if anybody who's had a power drill, which I've had many over the years, that this is the style of battery that it uses. So I'm going to set this down real quick right now so I can see the other things that are in the box. So this would be your charger. So I'm definitely going to get this charged up because, like I said, I got use of this right now. This is a brush, I'm sure, for cleaning out the dust and stuff when you're oiling it. Safety glasses, which is, again, a must. I have my own safety glasses because, again, I'm a big dude. I got a large head. And these would probably be too small for me, but that's a me thing, not a them thing. But it's awesome that they provide it. Safety first. And these are pretty cool batteries. So yeah, they're compact, but other people I've seen use this. You know, it lasts for quite a long time. And the cool part is they give you two. So you happen to use one up doing a ton of cutting, which I will be doing, it's nice to have a backup battery again. So this is something that some companies would make you buy separately. You'd have to buy an extra battery separately. This company, you don't. And so the battery just slaps on like that. I'm not going to push it in all the way because I don't want to actually turn it on. But yeah, that's how it comes on. And then you pull this back to this locks in here. You pull it back and you're able to pull it out. So yeah, that is very cool. So my initial impressions are very positive. And again, I will be charging this up and I will be using it. See which way this is supposed to typically go. Let's put that like that for now. All right. So yeah, I'm very excited to receive this, to test and of course use. And again, like I said, it came at a very fortuitous time for me because, like I said, that volunteer tree. I don't know if it's due to the Canadian wildfire smoke or whatever, but it just all of a sudden this year decided to bite the dust, and it needs to come down. So I'm not going to do this is not a chainsaw that's meant for taking down full trees, but I definitely can trim up the branches to the proper size pieces, so that the city can come take them, you can haul them away. And also you can chop it up and use it for in your garden if you were so inclined. So yeah, that's really cool. All right. So once again, thank you for Tingmengte for providing me with this opportunity to test this out. And this is just my initial video. I'll be doing, like I said, more videos in the future of me testing and using the unit. All right. Any comments, questions, leave in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have an awesome day.